This explains how to add a card or a key to the AFC fuel control system. First, launch the AFC Administrator software, then you must navigate to the programming portion of the software. You can do this in one of two methods. You may either select the Setup Configuration menu and select AFC, or you can use the Configure AFC icon on the icon toolbar. Once you've opened up the AFC configuration portion, you can then click on the Cards Keys tab. This is where you can go to add a new card or key to the system. What you'll need to do is go to the Edit menu and insert New Record. You can put in the new card number that you wish to add to the system, keeping in mind that the card numbers can only be between 1 and 65,499. 65499 is the largest or highest key number that the system will accept. Once you've put in that number, then click the OK to save that. That record will then be shown on the screen. You can go to Edit Record to make modifications. Under Card Key Type, you could select either number 1, this is a vehicle card or key, or number 2, a driver card or key. Depending on which one you select, the primary field and secondary fields will then begin to display different things. If I then select Card Key, the secondary fields become vehicle numbers, vehicle number 1, 2, and 3. If I select Vehicle Card or Key, then the secondary fields become driver numbers, driver 1, 2, and 3. The way these numbers are used is if this is a vehicle key and you want to prompt for a driver entry, driver number 1 must contain one of the valid drivers in the system. If the vehicle that you're assigning to this key is a global vehicle, then any driver within that department will be able to fuel that vehicle, and the system will prompt for any valid driver entry. If the vehicle that this key is going to be assigned to is not a global vehicle, then driver number 1 would be the only driver that would be able to fuel that vehicle. If this is going to be a driver card or key, then the vehicle numbers 1, 2, and 3 do not need to be entered if the driver is a global driver. If the driver is not global and he is going to be assigned to a particular vehicle or 2 or 3 particular vehicles, then you would select those vehicle numbers in the vehicle number 1, 2, or 3 field. In this instance, we'll make this a driver card or key. Expiration date field, if you wish to put an expiration date in there, that is the date at which this card or key would be invalidated automatically. Making this a driver card or key, I would select the drop-down box for a list of my current drivers in the system, scroll down the list and select the driver that this key is going to be assigned to. I would then just click Save Changes. After saving the changes, I would go to Transfer Data and transmit updates to the AFC. This will send this information out to the AFC fuel control system, and this key will be ready to be used in the system.